Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today I was thinking that I want to talk about something really important जो बहुत ज़्यादा I have been coming across. बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब हद से ज़्यादा. I don't know if run into these kind of conversations with men mostly, and it is just sad. It's just sad, pathetic state of our country. The thinking I am encountering every day about women, the kind of thinking people have, and it's pathetic. It's like हम लोग अभी भी 1800s में रह रहे हैं, if you have read my article on Bridgerton, it's उसमें मैंने कंपेयर किया है कि इंडिया की जो थिंकिंग है वो आज भी उसी ज़माने की है जो लंदन की 1800s में थी. हम में और फॉरेनर्स में डिफरेंस क्या आएगा इसकी, वो लोग मूव ऑन हो चुके हैं फ्रॉम दोज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. आई वुडंट से कि कंप्लीटली मूव ऑन हो चुके हैं, बट आई थिंक इट्स अ लॉट बेटर than what we have in India. I mean, all over the world, there misogyny is there. Misogyny का अगर आपको मतलब नहीं पता, you can Google it. But this is a very buzzword right now, as it should be because it's there everywhere. Misogyny हमेशा से exist करती थी और अभी भी exist करती है. So girls, I want to say something. If a man's first instinct is to defend, to start accusing a whole group of women, if you talk about equality or you talk about feminism or even if you talk about women's day for example. मैंने कल एक women's day का post डाला and the kind of replies I have got are insane. People are not even reading the whole quote and just saying anything they want to. It's pathetic. Many people want to center themselves in a conversation that isn't even about them. It's not about them. It's about the systematic oppression. It's about the systematic inequality. And वहाँ पर भी people have to say things like, oh, women cheat, women do this, women are like this, but women are this, but women are that. And it's really sad because that day is not about counting anybody's faults. It's just about celebrating the woman that we are. It's about acknowledging that things have to change still. अभी भी change की ज़रूरत है. It's about acknowledging that. It's not about saying कि all men are bad or I hate all men or men are like this only. It's not about that. It's about embracing your own womanhood. It's about talking in a way that doesn't always glamorize a mother's sacrifice, that doesn't always glamorize emotional labor, unpaid labor that women have to do every single day. That's what Women's Day is about. It's not about hating men, it's about celebrating women. The women who offer a lot in everybody's lives. What I have learned is that healthy men can acknowledge women's experiences without making everything about them. They can say, ki, yes, women have faults, but yes, women have a lot of good qualities as well. They can say, yes, मेरा experience bad रहा है relationships में या dating में, but they can also say कि yes, inequality exists, systematic oppression exists, unequal pay exists. If you guys have watched Vampire Diaries, जो नीना दोब्रेव है, the girl, the actress who plays Elena Gilbert, she left the show after 6 seasons, and the reason behind that was unequal pay. She was playing three characters. Nina was playing three characters by season 5. वो इतनी अच्छी एक्ट्रेस है, वो इतना तीन तीन कैरेक्टर्स प्ले करी थी. आई एम श्योर शी हैड अ वे longer working hours than anybody else on the set. Yet she was paid less than her male co-stars, which is Paul Wesley and Ian Somerhalder. And it's not the fault of the male co-stars, of course, but it is someone's fault, right? It is the thinking that we carry. It is a systematic fault. It is the thinking that we carry that women shouldn't be paid equally. even if they are doing twice the work. एंड आई नो कि आप लोगों में से कईयों का एक्सपीरियंस ऐसा होगा कि तुम्हारी मेल फ्रेंड्स फीमेल फ्रेंड्स की शायद सैलरी तुमसे ज़्यादा है, बट इट्स वेरी रेयर गाइस. एंड थैंक गॉड, इफ इवन इफ इट्स देयर, आई थैंक गॉड दैट इनइक्वालिटी इज नॉट देयर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ जेंडर. अगर वो सिर्फ उस बेसिस पर है, अगर लेस पे या हाई पे सिर्फ उस बेसिस पर है कि वर्क एक्सपीरियंस कितना है, कितना तुम कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हो, कितना काम कर रहे हो, ऑल दैट, देन इट्स स्टिल फाइन. बट इफ वी थिंक अबाउट इट, if you go out and talk to working women, experiences are a lot different guys, बहुत ज़्यादा different है. So when people say, but what about men? And I really want to answer those people who keep DMing me, who keep commenting on my posts whenever I share something related to feminism. What about men? Women are this, women are that. लड़कियां ऐसे भी होती है वैसी. I really want to say that if you check out my podcast, The Opinions That Matter, I have never talked about spreading misandry. Yes, I have talked against misogyny, but I have also talked about men's mental health, how men deal with it, what men go through. And that's an important conversation. We should all have that conversation because men go through a lot of pain as well. They are not, you know, allowed to open up. They are not allowed to express themselves. They are not encouraged to go to therapy or counseling, and they are shamed for it, not just by the whole society, but by their own male friends. They are shamed for it, and that needs to change. That definitely needs to change, and that's a bigger conversation that I have had on my podcast for a lot many times. When I talk about equality, it's never about demeaning men, but it's about the systematic operation that every single woman faces. Misogyny, that is the hatred towards women, it shows up in everyday experiences. हर जगह ये experiences हैं. And it's not about individual women, it's about a whole system that's usually against women. It's about dismissing women's experiences, shifting conversations away from women's issues, and making it all about their individual experiences of getting cheated on, or not having a good mother, etc. Those things exist. There are people who are not good, and women come in that category as well. बट जब भी हम सिस्टमैटिक ऑपरेशन की बात करते हैं गाइस, इट्स नॉट अबाउट इंडिविजुअल एक्सपीरियंसेस, इट इज अबाउट अ बिगर प्रॉब्लम, अ प्रॉब्लम दैट इज वे बिगर देन योर मेल ईगो. आई एम सॉरी टू से, बट इट इज वे बिगर देन दैट, and it needs to be addressed. Acknowledging women's struggle doesn't erase men's struggle. They can exist together because in reality they do exist together. If women go through so much, men have also been going through a lot. But we cannot deny that the sexual oppression, the harassment at workplaces, the unequal pay, those are huge issues, guys. And those issues still need to be talked about. Just like men's mental health needs to be talked about. Just like we need to become more sympathized and empathized towards men's feelings, just like that, we need to talk about those experiences of women as well. If men care about men's mental health, they are free to talk about it. I personally feel they should talk about it. They should create spaces. I am doing my bit, but men themselves can do that as well, you know. And it is a huge service to mankind if we start talking about these things, because it's high time now. There are so many suicide cases that happen because of the kind of thinking that we you know persist in the society, कि रोना नहीं है, men shouldn't cry, मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता, all those things, and it should be addressed. Real support for men's mental health and the well being of men looks like advocating for men's mental health, reaching out to your male friends and asking if they are doing okay. Do they need anything they want to talk about? Are they struggling? If you know they are struggling emotionally, you can offer to talk to them. It's about creating resources. It's about reducing the stigma around men expressing their feelings. What it is not about is attacking women, silencing women's experiences, and guilt tripping women online. That's not men's mental health support, guys. That's not how it is done. Using men's issues to silence women doesn't help men either. वो किसी को भी हेल्प नहीं करता है, ना ही वुमेन को, ना ही मेन को, ना ही किसी और को. It doesn't help anybody. Speaking about women's experiences is not about derailing men or saying we hate all men. It's about creating a society where everyone is treated with equal respect. एंड वी नो इक्वालिटी तो बहुत दूर दूर तक हमारे सोसाइटी में एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती है बहुत वेज में, चाहे वो क्लास इनइक्वालिटी हो, चाहे वो पुअर और रिच का गैप हो, चाहे वो मेन और वुमेन का हो. सैडली इक्वालिटी डजंट रियली एग्जिस्ट. जहाँ जाओ देर इज दिस गैप. चाहे वो रिच एंड पुअर का भी हो, चाहे वो मेन एंड वुमेन का भी हो. If conversations about women's struggle make you uncomfortable, then there's something you need to think about. That is something you need to ponder over. You need to listen. You need to work on your own emotional scars as well, just like women need to do that. Everybody needs to do that. Sometimes कोई चीज़ अगर मुझे बहुत अफेक्ट कर रही होती है, आई नो आई नीड टू प्रोसेस इट इन सम वे. आई नीड टू प्रोसेस इट इमोशनली. शायद एक पुराना वूंड है जो ट्रिगर हो रहा है. मे बी समथिंग इज गेटिंग ट्रिगर्ड दैट नीड्स टू बी addressed inside me, and it's not always about the other person. Sometimes it is, but it's not always the case. I am a 27-year-old woman who is not married yet, and the kind of pressure that I face every single day is huge. जहाँ भी मैं जाती हूँ, I am asked about marriage, I am told to get married, I am being questioned कि you won't be able to have kids if you get married late, you won't be able to do this, do that, and it's really exhausting. Men at my age can focus on making their career. वो आराम से focus कर सकते हैं अपने career पे, क्योंकि they can have kids till 60, but women can't. Even though अब बहुत सारी टेक्नोलॉजी आ गई है कि even women have started taking those kind of ways of having children, चाहे वो surrogacy है, चाहे वो IVF है, चाहे वो कुछ भी है. But it's really sad कि wherever I go, I'm just being told, why aren't you married yet? It's a huge pressure, and it's not easy. If men have a lot of struggle, women have that too. मेरे ऊपर एक तलवार है कि इस इतने इतने टाइम तक करियर बन जाना चाहिए, इतने टाइम तक शादी हो जानी चाहिए, इतने टाइम तक बच्चे हो जाने चाहिए, अदरवाइज यू आर रूइंड. दैट thing, that tape that goes on and on for so many women like me, for a lot of my unmarried friends who are just trying to make their careers, who are just trying to live their life, कि यार इतनी जल्दी इन चीज़ों में नहीं पड़ना है मुझे. And they have the right to do that. But the kind of pressure I and many women like me are facing is immense, guys, and it's not a joke. Women are made to feel ashamed for choosing themselves, for choosing their careers, for choosing what they want to do, because the whole society was built by suppressing women. Women are supposed to sacrifice. That's the thing you hear everywhere, glorifying too much sacrifice, glorifying motherhood and glorifying every other thing. This needs to stop. This really needs to stop. If conversations about women's struggle and women's day makes you uncomfortable, then you really need to think about what you are getting into. You really need to think a bit deeper about your own problems, your own emotional experiences, and maybe, try going to counseling or therapy, even if it is a taboo. Do it. क्योंकि कोई तो टैबू ब्रेक करेगा ना, किसी को तो ब्रेक करना पड़ेगा. There is always that one person who does something for the very first time, and we are allowed to be that one person. Maybe you could be that person who who brings in some change in men's mental health. If you are a guy and listening to this, that's what I want to say. Please stop harassing women online. Please stop कॉन्स्टेंटली लॉजिक और रीजनिंग के नाम पे कॉन्स्टेंटली उनके ट्रॉमास और उनके सिस्टमैटिक ऑपरेशन को इग्नोर करना बंद कर दो. पीपल थिंक कि वुमेन हैव इट इजी बिकॉज उनको सिर्फ घर बैठना है और बच्चे पालने हैं, बट इट्स द टफेस्ट जॉब दैट देयर इज. दैट इज नॉट फ्रीडम फॉर एवरीवन. It's not freedom. It's a whole other territory. It's a whole other struggle that many women have to go through if they want to study more or if they want to pursue a career that maybe doesn't involve doing the household chores. Let's stop glamorizing this, guys, and let's start reducing misogyny. If misandry is bad, misogyny is bad as well. Misandry is a reaction to misogyny. Even though it is bad, it is still bad. It is still a reaction. It is a bad reaction, of course. That's all I wanted to say. I don't know what else to say, honestly. I'm so frustrated with all of this. That's all.